Good evening. Yes, we are looking into Nifty. Let's go. Now, what's happened with the Nifty here is that it is quite pretty interesting because Nifty is above the trend line, that is first priority, and in any up till this trend, up till here, let me put this up till here, it is above the trend line. After that, the momentum started dropping and it made a first negative cross at zero level of the momentum. That means this is the first negative cross at the zero level of momentum. Now, what we should do when this happens? We have to wait for the first fractal to break. Let me take the tool. Okay, come here. So on this candle, there is a one more bearish crossover at the zero level of momentum, right? The momentum is zero. Remember this. If it is away from here, it is a very high momentum. It is very likely it will come towards the momentum, near the momentum, but then it will make a one more move up. In case there is continuation of the trend. Now, I'll just blow it up for you. So yes, this is exactly we are trying to show you. I'm trying to show you. Go through this. This is red, and on this candle, the red has formed. After that, we have last 15 minutes rally, small rally, feeble, very weak. So break of this, we will go short in futures. Let me tell you again this. Break of this lower fractal, we will go short in the future and this becomes our stop. Or otherwise, break up this low, we will wait for first 5-minute candle to form. But we will not buy if the price is closed, unless the price closed above this. So what happened? In the first 15 minutes, the price went up. Break of the 2 bar is an indication of short sell. This is another method. Where is the first target? First target is here, slightly lower. The second target will be 1, 1. So the 1 is to 2. You get this point? Correct. Let's go. Now, so we didn't get the first 15-minute short sell. We got on the second bar short sell. In fact, we enjoyed a retest on the second bar, basically. The second bar got retested on this next topping tail pin bar. Topping tail pin bar. This is, let me highlight that. This bar. The second bar basically got a retest. So we could able to sell it. So what is our risk? Risk is 86 point. Take profit should be 1:2. So what happened? 1:2. We made it. We made exactly 1:2. So in the first within couple of 1.5 hours, we could able to make 172 points. If you are trading, it's on 5 minutes. If you are trading on options, so what are the option trading methods? Okay, so let me go to the option. Get this here. Go here. Take a option chain, and 23,900 is your option chain put. So exactly, one second. So this, in this case, you are quite aware that it broke the first fractal, it was negative, then it made a first this thing, and there was a reversal entry 5 minutes. Suppose if you want, if you want, you can go with a different method, for example super trend on 2 minutes, super trend on 2 minutes. So this is where your money has to come. This is your long, and your stop remains 36 points, and your take profit remains 1:2. Exactly 1:2, somewhere here, 71 points, 72. Yeah, 36 means 72 points. One second, let me take this. Yeah, somewhere here. Per lot, 76 points. Say for example, you have made 75 points, rounding up the money, no problem. You still made 5,000 rupees. What is your investment? Barely 13,000 rupees. So 30 to 40% profits we make in single trade. What happened after that? After that, it did not cross the super trend until here. Until here. It came back below the super trend, it hovered super trend. Please note 2 minutes time frame. Why? Because we are using 5 minutes time frame on the Nifty. Okay? Because we are using 5 minutes time frame on the Nifty. After that, you did not get buy setup up to here. Let me change the color here on this closer, on the closer of this candle, on the closer of this candle, and you, for a safety reason, you would have bought on the break of this candle. For safety reason, yes, for safety reason, you would have bought on the break of this candle, and your stop would have been on the this, or sometimes up to super trend. Super trend is easy actually. The immediate fractal low is very important. That is very important. Okay, so let's see what is your long. Your long is here, and your stop is slightly below. Around 19 point is your stop, and your take profit is 36 point. You achieved it in one stroke. Again 36 points. If you can understand my explanation, if you can see what I see, if you can make money, what we make money, means you are educated in trading for profitable trades. If you don't see this, and if you have difficulties in doing this, then there is a necessary quality education requirement. I'm not telling you the quantity, I'm telling you the quality. Now when I said break up this candle, that means exactly 12:45. Let me put this here. This is 12:45. Break up this candle, you would have gone long. With the close of this candle, you would have gone long, but your stop would have been 192 rupees. Okay. What happened exactly at 12:45? And you can see in 12:45 you have this break, and then you have a very weak inside move. This is called very weak inside move before the shadow. So when this low is broken, again it goes for one more drop. How do we enter? We enter break of this. We enter break of that. If we are entering in futures. For options, we have to have a different strategy. Okay, so what's going on? Where are we and what are we looking at? So let's go to 30 minutes and let's understand this correctly. Let me bring this all. Yeah. Now what happened here is the first break on the 30 minutes. It broke the fractal, previous fractal, and there is a shift of the momentum. Will it go upside? I don't think so. It might gap up a little bit and then starts dropping. So in order to go upside, it must have a momentum candle in it. Now there is no momentum candle today and yesterday. When I say there is no momentum candle, the momentum candle represents basically a strong displacement of the price. This is MC, momentum candle. This is momentum candle. This is momentum candle. This is momentum candle. So these basically represents a strong price displacement, more than 0.5%. So how much each candle basically? What do you mean by the momentum candle? The actual momentum candle supposed to be, this is the first momentum candle, it is more than 0.62%. That is 136 points. So 100 points and above are ideally considered as a momentum candle. This is 120 points. But show me any single one candle that is 110 points. It's the only candle I can see, low to high. So the momentum, basically there is no momentum here. So we are not looking for any upside move right now. On the daily, the momentum is shedding. That means it will likely to retest 474, possibly tomorrow. It will likely to retest this, and it might close over there only before gapping down for the one more new low. This is what I'm looking at, and this is what I consider. Say this is a repetition of this. Look at this, there is nothing. Then it gap down. It might gap down here and then little hover there only before going down. Okay. So this is it for today. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe in case if you are not subscribed. All right. Thank you.